I have installed TX10 Pro Android TV box on my TV. Let's see how to reset TX10 Pro TV box. Open Settings. Go to Device Preferences. Select Reset. Select Reset. Choose Erase Everything. Now wait for the TV box to restart and complete the reset process. The TX10 Pro Android TV box reset is now complete.